What up, 2B2 world? Welcome to Furnace Lab Studios. I'm Al Bridge, and today we're gonna get some wire maintenance done. Yep. So about a year ago, I bought this Allen Heath 3300. It's gone through 2 albums. From a friend worked on it. A friend worked on the albums in his console, and I'm not turning anything on. And yeah, it's a lot of wires. The microphone's going through here. We got 16 multi-track capability, but all those wires, microphone cables, XLRs, are very tangled. I'm gonna show you back here. So yeah, we got all that mess, and today it's been a year since I had it. I gotta move this away from the wall, get in there, take them all out. I'm gonna start from scratch actually, because everything's mumble jumbled. It's a chaotic mess. I finally got a snake cable that we're gonna replace. So we have to crawl back there and have a spaghetti of XLR cable. Yep. And here's my little wig rocker, 24-inch with a, I think it's a 15 4 tom and a regular tom, but it's a deep tom with some XSR hi-hats. I went into a Behringer unit because I'm an average Joe that doesn't make that much money. 60 multi-track, and this goes up to 40, but the last 4 are like stereos. So I use up to maybe 36. The Allen Heath 3300. So yay, the fun part. Where do I start? Let's get it. Oh, this drops. Got it. Let's get this going, nice and clean. Let's to the power conditioner. Move the symbol to get more space for me to work back here. Clean this up. Get back to those more stuff on top of there. Alright, start from scratch. Because spaghetti is not delicious when it's all mixed in. This is my it's pretty heavy to be honest. This is my tech reel to reel. I'll throw it on the other side. Clean up, everybody somewhere. So I'll bring you what I'm dealing with. This is the back of the interfaces and the ADAT. Yeah, I gotta disconnect all that and reroute everything to make everything pretty so I can know where everything is. This spaghetti I'm dealing with. So wish me luck, Chuck. Let him cook. One by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, Cables and metal, cable, plastic, metal. There. As far as I know, everything should be luckily I built this that everything's on wheels. But I don't want to go over some cables. We have a little bit of access. Yep. So this, and now compared to all that, look at that. Oh! Analog gear, huh? Think twice. Eat some rice. Ah! Wish me luck. My precious. My precious. I made it back here. Not fun. Blah 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 blah. Disconnect everything. Make it look pretty. I guess I'll give you guys those little spaghettios. I got power converter facing the other way. I mean conditioner. Why am I doing this again? Oh well. Disconnect, reprogram, disconnect, reorganize, disconnect. And then did I tell you all the snake cables are kind of different because the ADAT to the back to the out to the level blocks, the microphone's in. I'm confused, but I forgot how to use this. I don't use it that much. But there's a reason I'm doing this, so I'm gonna have to call back here like this again. And again. I wonder how heavy these cables are making this poor old desk. Snake back to its former glory. So as it came to the conclusion, we'll start just wrapping up the XLRs to get them out of the way, the microphone XLRs, and because that's where it originally came from. But I just have to redo the whole thing because I can know what's what, when's what, how's what, make it look prettier. Wish me luck. Good thing I had some of these like wanted to be their own snake cable wrapped up with Velcro as a bunch already. So maybe that saved me 5 minutes of work. It's like a million more hours to go. Out of all that crawling, so far I only have one organized cable. And this is more tangled than I thought, so I gotta run back there. There's two sets of matching colors, meaning two orange starting off, organized. I don't even know how to explain it. But yep. 99 down. What am I talking about? One down. 16 more to go and more. Ooh, it's raining outside. Ugh. I literally gotta snake them out one by one to reorganize everything. Poopity poopara. Okay, let's hope I got all the XLRs. Very disorganized, but I snaked them out all out of there. I still got a little more to do. As in the regular snakes. Okay. Been close to an hour, about 50 minutes. We're on a good track. I thought it was gonna take a couple hours to get that situated, but the spaghetti's out. I'm still taking some other cables off, but so far cable management is okay. A-okay. It is 3:40, so got all the wire work done. I did as best. Finally, no real. We got all the snakes connected. Those extra ones are for the ones I didn't need basically, and got the main snake that I was gonna use with the microphone. Yeah, right here. I know it's 12. I need 4 more, but I think I'm just gonna go straight to XLR on the last 4. So everything worked. I tested it out. It's kind of cool.
Channel.
Got my
gain up
mixer.
a little bit. Channel. Not 8. Not 8.
So that works, and then I've been
Really
testing
want
that.
the mixer maxed out.
The ins and outs, I was doing that, so we're all set and good. Hopefully, if anybody has any questions or whatever, help me help you. Subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. Peace and chicken grease.